It is a story 22 News has been closely following, the opiate crisis. Tonight we discovered a major loophole in the state's Good Samaritan law that could cause someone to be evicted if an overdose happens in their home.
It's a huge problem all over.
The opiate epidemic affects people from all walks of life, and over the last few years, it has gotten worse.
I've heard of people going from one city to another to try to get the best bags that they can get.
Overdose deaths more than doubled in Massachusetts between 2012 and 2015. In an effort to save lives, the state passed the Good Samaritan law, so witnesses or victims won't face criminal charges if they call 911 to report an overdose, but they could face eviction.
They have to go through means of not only trying to save a life, but being worried about their housing.
If someone living in Section 8 housing calls 911 for an overdose, they could be evicted. The U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development states criminal drug activity or drug and alcohol abuse is intolerable.
Anyone, no matter where they live, and it shouldn't be now held against them if they're able to save a life.
22 News tried contacting the Springfield Housing Authority to see how they handle these situations. We're still waiting to hear back.